Remember, my name is Maddie. And my name is Kate. Today we are going to show you how to grow Morning Glory microgreen. These are all the things you need. A bowl of Morning Glory seeds, 3 baskets, 2 sprayers, coconut fiber, a big cup that you can shake the coconut fiber inside, styrofoam, and a box. Are you ready? Yes. Okay then, let's get planting. We soak the seeds for 1 night only. We want to strain all of the small coconut fibers out to leave the big ones there. So like this. We must put the tissue papers inside our basket and then spray it with water. Next, we put the coconut fiber inside the baskets on top of our tissue papers until full. My turn. Just like the example we are showing you. When it's full, you must spray water on the fiber to make the fiber wet. After that, you must sprinkle the seeds on the fiber so that you cannot see it a single bit. Yeah. Just like how we are doing it now. Then you must use your finger to push the seeds down evenly. Next, you must sprinkle the fiber onto the seeds to cover them. You must spray the water onto the beans and fiber to make them wet. Just like how we're doing right now. We are almost done. Next, we must put the basket inside twice a day, one in the morning and one in the evening. After you finish, then you will cover it with a piece of styrofoam. And then you must wait for 2 days first before you can see your big Morning Glory microgreen. After 5 days, you will see your big microgreen. Yay! Remember, you must spray in the morning and evening. On the 5th day, you must take out the skin of the microgreen. After 10 days, your microgreens are ready for cooking. Cut it together. Yay! These are all the microgreens we cut, and we're getting ready to cook them. Bye bye guys. See you in our next